The iconic straight-tail Cessna 172, the first edition of the most produced aircraft in the world. Introduced in 1956, over 44,000 Cessna 172s have been built, and modern versions are still being produced, brand new, today. My name is Jared White. Join me as we explore Northern California and beyond, enjoying the somewhat more affordable side of general aviation.
Keep it throwing.
Top of the morning, folks. It's 5 a.m. here in Nevada County. It's raining, and we're about to embark on a mission to pick up a 1959 172. Now we're getting some snow over the pass. We're here in Middlegate. There's the bar right over there. Road going off somewhere there. We're doing a quick driver swap. We got the Kaufman gooseneck on the back here. This is a big trailer. So this is 361 right here, which is nice and straight, but there are some road signs down there. So I don't know how easy it'd be to land on this part of the highway. Over here behind me is this road here. Nate thinks this is where people land. This is where they land, huh, Nate?
Yeah, that's what I saw on YouTube.
Yeah. Interesting.
Must be your first trip out.
This road looks easily doable in the Chief, but
As many as 5 planes tied up out here.
Really?
Yeah.
That's cool.
I'm not sure if it's suitable for the 172 and the small tires. Yeah, we've made it to Austin, Nevada, and the Stokes Castle. Epic view. So the Austin airport should be down there in the, oh, there it is, down there in the valley. This weather's supposed to clear out by tomorrow, so we should have a nice time coming home. Yeah, it's starting to clear up out here. A little bit of a breeze. Out in the middle of nowhere. Should be in Utah soon. How's it going down there, Nate?
Going good, almost there.
All right, we made it to Nephi, Utah. Nice little town here. It's Sunday evening and everything's closed. We might be able to go to McDonald's maybe and get a burger, but we checked into our hotel here, the old Super 8, the trusty establishment, and we're gonna wake up early tomorrow and go pick up the planes. Look at that, $2.99 a gallon for gas. The old Maverick. We're gonna go inside and get some pilot food. What's the plan here, Nate? Where are you taking us?
We're gonna go to this guy's shop and pick up the parts plane. Hopefully it gets loaded up without too much issues.
Throw it on the big trailer?
Big trailer, gonna truck it back to California.
Then we'll load that thing up and then go pick up the flyer and head for home.
Then we'll have a chase truck with extra parts on the way home.
Yeah, that's gonna be nice. I can't get out. All right, here we are. Oh, it's a beautiful morning. Oh, there she is. Oh, look at that thing. Look at this trusty old bird. Oh, she's a little crunchy. Oh. I like the manual flaps. Look at all the room in these 172s. She goes. All right, we got the easy part loaded up. Now we gotta get the wings and tail. And
Super damage going down first? That's how I do it. Well, no.
she's all wrapped up. Curious to see how this holds up after 1,000 miles. Friendly dogs out here in Utah. No, you can't come with us. Not today, bud. Oh, there it is. Oh, they got a couple old 172s here. Let's take a look at this thing. Looks pretty nice.
Some love.
Yeah. A little bit of wax on the paint and
Pretty solid.
yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's locked. That's got some holes in the dash. Oh, our saran wrap windshield did not survive. But everything's still in the plane there. We might have to re-secure the wheel pants. We don't want to lose one of those on the way home. Let's see. We got a nice little FBO here. Manti-Ephraim. Oh, we got some snacks for us in here. Pretty nice pilot couch. Restroom. Not too much on the old board. Oh, nice little weather station. Oh, check out this nice density altitude chart. You put your airport, your elevation, standard temperature. And then you can just look here, 70 degrees out, 7,500 feet. That's pretty nice. We need to get one of these at our airport. All right, we're about ready to blast off. Nate's up in the Neffy. I'm gonna take the 172 and pick him up. He had to go to the bank to make sure the financing worked out. But before we blast off, this orange box stuck to the top of our trailer here basically gave us internet all the way out through the middle of nowhere. What do we got in here?
So this is called a star-batt mini, and it holds a Starlink mini dish, and it just snaps right in.
Oh yeah, look at that.
This. You latch these closed, you plug it in, you turn your power switch on,
Okay.
and it runs for over 24 hours.
Oh, we're still at 85%.
And you can charge your phone here with these ports.
Yep.
And this is something you can charge it off of if you're in your vehicle. It also has an AC charger. We sell a solar charger as well. But it's all weather tight, sealed up, protected. And it's in this little cradle.
Oh yeah.
Magnets or suction cups to metal or glass or fiberglass.
We were just using the magnets?
Yep.
Yeah, it rode all the way out here. What, 1,000 miles or
1,000
so?
miles.
Yeah.
You know, bumpy ride out here.
Yeah.
And out in areas where there's absolutely zero cell service. And this had us all set up.
Yeah, this is sweet.
And it rained and snowed on us, and
Yeah.
this is all protected back here, giving us full connectivity and navigation, tunes and emails and
Yeah.
all that stuff.
Nice. This is Tony. He's gonna drive the junker home. Yep. All right, buddy.
Alrighty.
Yeah.
We'll see you then.
Sounds good. Our mighty steed. All right, I'm gonna hop in, fill it up with gas, and blast out of here. Just a little crack.
Turn it more.
Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah. That feels nice.
Yeah. I put some lube in there. It was a little stiff.
A little stiff.
Came out of it.
All right, mags on both. Brakes are good. Oh, where's the starter button?
So kick your master on.
Oh, master, yeah.
And a button right here.
Oh, there we go.
Clear.
There. Yeah.
Idle her down to like 600 for a while. we got ourselves a machine. All right, we're gonna get some gas and then blast out of here. I forgot my coffee. I made a mess on Nate's brand new airplane. Sorry, Nate. All right, folks, trusty 77 Echo. It's full of gas and we're blasting off. She's actually a pretty nice 172. The interior is a little Spartan, but I think Nate got himself a great deal on this thing. Cloud cover out here. There's definitely a right ahead where we're going to pick up Nate. And we're going to head off that way. You made it. Alright, let's see if we can land this little girl. She's a great flyer. Yeah, she ran good all the way over here. Good. It's blustery up there. It's a little bouncy.
Yeah, that wind's howling.
Yeah, I know. I can feel it taxiing in. All right, let's get you strapped in. Let's get out of here. I'd like to get. I think once we get over that ridge, it clears out a little better, and then we can. We'll have smoother sailing.
How you doing, Nate? How you like your new plane? That's awesome. Flying good? Yeah. Yeah, she's running smooth up here. I think she's feeling like she's going to be a good plane for you. Yeah, it'll be a great first plane. Yep. We realized here that we have no way to monitor our battery voltage, but we got this. We got this. So I'm going to unplug. Are we back? All right, we're back. Let's see what kind of juice we're getting here. Uh-oh. Come on, baby. Nothing. Oh, it looks like 12.8. That should be good, 12.9. Oh, 13.1. I think we're charging. It looks like we're charging on our amp gauge, but it's nice to have an actual voltage monitor. Oh, there we go. We got the connection working here. We're getting a nice 13.4. There's Highway 50 down there, keeping us company. The nice thing about Highway 50 is there's basically no cars on it, so we can land just about anywhere. Oh, maybe we're into Nevada, flying over the windmills.
Ah, we made it into Eli. Yeah. We'll take some gas. Guys gonna fill us up. What do you think, Nate? How's your machine flying?
She flew good. She flew good. I'm excited. Everything's smooth so far.
Yeah, she's running smooth. We just landed here in Eli, Nevada. The guy came out and fueled us up. She's burning about 7.4 gallons an hour. According to my calculations, we took 17 gallons. We were in the air for like 2.25 hours. So she's running smooth. We're gonna go get some lunch and then keep on trekking on.
Find some burgers.
Yeah. All right, we're taking this nice Chevy into town to get some lunch. Oh, this thing is nice. By far one of the more luxurious courtesy vehicles I've ridden in. Good old Ely, Nevada. They're doing some road work. So we had lunch on the way through at that Riva's place. They had some good Mexican food for us. Nate's taking us to a burger joint. Oh, there's a rack. We're going to Rack's Bar and Grill. The Mighty Green Machine. We had a good lunch at Rack's there. We're getting ready to blast off. How's the oil looking, Nate?
We're going out about a half quart.
Yeah.
Get her topped off.
Can't hurt to put a little more in. Don't want to run out of oil out over the desert.
Nate is 80, the 172. We've intercepted Tony and the parts machine. There we are, chugging along. That's great. He's been making pretty good time because we were quite a ways ahead of him, but he probably spent an hour and a half on the ground getting lunch. I think there's a road out here somewhere that I might be able to land on. I don't know if the 172 can land out here, but I think the old chief probably could. That's a hot spring right there. Don't see anybody in there. Bail on that one. I think we could have got her down, but we don't want to break Nate's new plane on our first day of owning it.
This is nice out here. Oh, look at the 7.7 Echo. Boy, this is a nice Playa. I drug the tires on it, and then it was so nice. I was like, oh, Nate, you guys land. Hardly any dust. There's a hot spring way out over there somewhere, but people used to fly to it. But I guess it's kind of torn apart now, and it's not really usable. About an hour from home. We'll probably get there just after sunset. The 172's flying nice. We got her trimmed out. She's pretty much flying hands off. We're at 8,500. About 94 knots of ground speed. Nevada County flight of 3 is on a 1 mile final low approach 25 Nevada County. Good job, Nate.
Thank you. Thanks for flying with me.
That was a fun ride. All right, Nate's blasting off for Sutter. First flight in his craft all by himself. Have a good flight, Nate. There he goes. All right, 77 Echo's new home down here at Sutter County. All right, trusty 77 Echo's
Back at home. Well,
She-
at home.
She's at home in her hangar. That was a good adventure.
Really good. Thanks for coming with me, trusty or not.
Ah, yeah, it was fun. I like anytime I'll go flying with you. So, how are you feeling about your new plane?
I'm really excited. It's going to be a good bird to learn on for a couple of years and
Yeah,
have some adventures.
yeah. All right, that's about it for this one. So, if you enjoy riding along with the Trusty Aeronaut, subscribe. Well, we're gonna put it. We'll put it right in the middle.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, yeah. All right, so long, folks. See you, Nate.
See you guys.